Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
And then-ke bese kuzoba lesi story futhi sika-Kurt Matlala-ke nabantu bakhe base-Metropolitan and the tenders, guys. Those things are dangerous. Hey, yabona, you've been hearing them for years. Urhala uthi nami ngifuna i-tender. Guys, those things are crazy. There's another story that I've been following of very young two gentlemen from Newcastle. The other one, they hadn't spoken for years, but bazama ukuhlanganisa, bazohlanganisa another project together. I don't even want to say a tender anymore, you know. And then bebehlanganisa lento yabo. The other one, ba-end up bemdubula. They were sitting in the same car. They saw him drop a car. He came out. You know, that case is still ongoing. There's even CCTV footage. This one feels Gutiana is bigger than the law. He was even giving this family of the deceased about 780,000. At some stage, he pushed it to 1 million. Basule case. Kanjan, guys. When you unalive someone in cold blood, who even came out of the car to shoot them some more. I'm just like, yeah, guys. It's a lot. And he was now even threatening the sister of the deceased. The sister was on TikTok. Many videos. She did many videos. She was like, no. There's even a CCTV of the guy unaliving my brother in cold blood. So why must I leave the case alone? They're threatening her. I'm bigger than you. You'll never get away with this. Guys, you unalive my brother. What must happen? I just need justice for my brother. Guys, you know, as a bunch of justice, it becomes something else for me. There are so many cases, guys. Leave the sense of me your case. Because that one breaks my heart. Literally. I'm just like, Njani, you know, why are we here? So Kurt Matlala got in that case. He had a tender over 300 million. You remember the tender, you know, it's been going around. Yo, uthi lalela ngibasabani labo bantu kaze cabanga. I'm so afraid of them. I'm just like, guys, these syndicates, they are everywhere. How? He wants to come across as actually he is a victim. Now, all of a sudden, Umatlala, we must be like, oh my gosh, they put him into these syndicates. He's in them. He's been in them, these syndicates. There's actually more, guys. I just feel good they didn't finish there. It's ad hoc. There's more things, guys. As is Abisai that didn't come out. Man, Joseph looks as if it's mina. Oh, I'm scared of them. Yeah, and I wasn't gonna report him. Oh, how can you report a police to a police? People are like, please, please stop with that. Why are we here then? Why are we here? Because of things like that. Had you reported him, chances are you could have been protected from him. Game guys, usesenza nje manje uJohn Wick. Usesenza like into esabayo. Lo muntu akasabi next, guys. Please, we know that. Abona ke sethi ene umukhothi uyi-con artist. Who did he con? Guys, how is Brown Mukhothi a con artist, guys? Wow. Mina for me, Brown Mukhothi nje ubefuna ukuba celebrity in this whole situation because he was a go-between her angithi. Eyali, eyixoki ngabe iphiqiphiqi aphinda abhalele umkhonazi ama-WhatsApp. Hayi kusonda so. Uba angazi, I don't understand. The top of a band is Brown Mukhothi, guys. It's all over the place for me. I'm just like, I'm done. I ad hoc Shemo Brothers, Saul, actually, to be exact, Honorable Saul told him by now. Hey, because guys, I've said that so many times. But at the end of the day, we can do stuff, guys. Who created the world? We want to learn, and we always think we are above anything, everything that is that we found in this world. Yabona ukuthi it's crazy, guys. Mase ad hoc sebezokutshela nje the way uNkulunkulu manje ekushaya ngakhona. Guys, vele things have turned around, and I've always said ukuthi even akusenzo meyiwa, we wanted them to turn around in a certain way at a certain time. And they are going to turn around in terms of Mayo, and they are actually turning around now. Buka nje manje usunjani ubaloyi. Akakholwa ukuthi khona abantu abanjengogwabini no Absalom Zungu who can actually nje expose him like that. Basically exposing the state as a whole, including Brigadier Gininda. So just from 375 for the Senzo Mayo case. These were the highlights, guys.
Blame abani kulento yokuvala kwethenda lakho ucabanga ukushayeleni bani okushayisa Grand ubani wena nekwali naye ubani lokuhlasela kanje bra
Mina honestly I think abanikazi bale tender they want it back
iMetropolitan le
yes
uthi wena iMetropolitan the tender ilithole kayi3
ngoba even now bayithumela kubo futhi as we speak
ibuyele back kubo
yes
iowner ubani le Metropolitan
ngisaba nokukhuluma igama
mfethu ngeke bakwenze next